What is up, everyone? This is Zach with Use What You Got, and I have an unboxing to show you guys today, and I'm really excited for this. So recently, I don't know if you remember, but my table saw is usually right here. I finally sold it, and I bought this guy kind of as a stand-in because it's going to be about the same height, and this is obviously way more portable, a lot lighter, and I think overall is going to be a better option for me, at least. This is the WORX Pegasus portable work table clamping system in Sawhorse. So as you can see, it does a lot of different stuff. And my thought with this is if I need something more than just this, I also have my two rigid Sawhorse legs as well. So I can expand it pretty far if I need to do a big sheet of plywood or something. So let's get this unboxed. All right, so it comes with some directions. Of course, the unit itself. Nice. Seems like it just clicked into place. So there's one thing I'm going to talk about soon that I heard was kind of negative about this. But other than that, this has really good reviews. And I'm really excited to start using it. It feels really rigid. Like, it is plastic, but I think it said it can hold up to 300 pounds or so. You have them both up like this. So the edge of this right here sits in this groove. And putting it in, this is right here. As you're clamping, the clamping pressure is going to go against that and against this. So, if I were to put a piece of wood here, so now, I mean, it's holding really good. This is a little interesting. Don't know what that's for. So that's cool. Put it up, put it away. Quick and easy. So this is great for cutting wood either on top or, you know, if you're cutting miters from the side. Of course, these have homes on the side of here. These sit. Let's talk about the top real quick. So the top of this has the essentially really large T-track, which is specifically for the clamps that come with it. It also has measurements on the top. A lot of holes for, oh man, why can I not think right now? Why is my mind blank? Oh, what are they called? Dog something? Anyways, I'll put it on the screen, but you put the stopper in there and then you can use the clamp to put a piece of wood on there and then you can plane it or cut it or whatever. I like that there's some areas you could put some screws or just little things you might be using. And then if we look below, what I had heard is that this, I mean, you can see it's almost, it reminds me of like a bin with a top where the pieces meet. This is pretty flimsy, but other than that, like, this feels pretty good. Everything else looks okay. So I'm wondering if I twist these, what does this actually do? Oh, check it out. So this piece that was on the bottom, there's your stopper. Now, you can, you know, with enough pieces, you can put your piece of wood there, and then that'll stop it for you. Obviously, you need more than just this, but you could, you know, clamp down the edge or whatever. That's cool. Okay, cool. I got it. So they stay right here. Awesome. But again, it's got a lot of functionality, and just for something you could take to a work site real easily, and for me, again, with my small garage and I don't have a lot of room, this is perfect. Which actually, now that I think about it, I'm pretty sure the top of this is actually bigger than my table saw top. So I actually have more room to work with. But yeah, this thing is pretty cool. Like, if you're curious to see what this actually looked like unboxed and not just a picture. Get this open. Hopefully this was helpful. But if you have any questions about it, definitely leave them down below. So I'll see you guys in the next video.